Moved a couple of things around. Makes it a different shop, doesn't it? Look at all this room for activities. I can do activities from there to there. That's a lot.
All it takes is one job, oh yeah. All it takes is one job, and everything is gonna be okay.
Alright, since after our windshield debacle, finally got that done. Got this thing moved over into a bay that we can actually roll this thing in and out. And we're gonna see if it can roll under its own power. We've never done that. I can't remember where we're at on trans fluid, and we've had it running, so that's what I know. So let's see what happens. So it's running and it's kind of going back and forth. It seems like a fluid issue, but we also have the speedometer is going up with the RPMs, which could be a signal thing with the trans. Trans is going to be extremely sensitive to speed sensors and stuff like that. You know, it might be just the gauge is hooked up wrong, but it might also be just coming off the trans, it's the wrong signal wire. So we're gonna check fluid. Keep it simple. Why is the trans fluid funnel always such a shit show? I think it'd be a pretty easy funnel. Like they need a funnel that goes to a small hole.
job, oh yeah. All it takes is one job, and everything is gonna be okay.